Alright, Prizm Deca, random color box, number 1, hit the filler. And top 2 getting in. Trey, taking them both down. Alright, any colors. Let's see, Kevin, red, Matt, gold, and black. Let's get the colors. Roberts, purple, Ross, black, gold, Trey, base, silver, blue, orange, and Mojo. Let's do it. Good luck, everybody. Nice start there. JD5 base rook. Hey, Trey. Pearsall, Drake May rookie. Gable Stevenson? At the WWE, dude? I had no idea he was in here. Base Jonathan Brooks, brilliant. So red Frank Gore. So red spot Kevin at 199. This will be with y'all's pick a pack. Cable Stevenson. So that gold. That's gold. Come on, Mats. Gonna let that one marinate. Close it out with that. Oh, blue. Honey Badger. Oh, Buddha Anthony Munoz. So Joe Milton, nice rookie blue. Get a little pad to action. Yo, Trey. So 149. Dante, Joe Mixon. Carter, JJ rookie. So Byron Murphy. Jonathan Brooks, rook. Thompson, first auto, Jonathan Brooks, silver ink. Also, Trey. And purple throwback, Chris Carter. So the purple spot, Roberts. Trent Green, Fabry. Oh, seriously? I remember he was him and that's the one dude from 22 or 21, Prizm WWE. Braun Breaker, him and Braun Breaker stuff was selling like crazy. They had rookies in that Prizm W. Purple Roberts. I had no idea who was in here. Rattler Rook, Sean Malachi, Josie, Silver Trevon Diggs, so Latu rookie. That's right, he was a gold medalist wrestler. Did he? I feel like he did UFC too. Good. Justin Simmons. Oh, Bruce Smith, silver. Silver Trey Silver. Jair. So Jaquan Jackson, rookie. Money Manziel, Javante. Oh, Purple Jets, Brees Hall. Spy Roberts. That's 31/99. Blue Cummy. This Marvin Harrison, rookie. So CD Lamb, base, Bucky. Old school, Warren Sapp. It's the blue spot tray. So 119/149. And Nico. Yes, I can see that. So McCaffrey, rook. Terry, Rasheen Ali, Maris, rook. Josh Downs, red. So 199, Kevin. Spot Joe Alt's, rookie. Gold Tua. So Jordan Travis, Sanat. So Marshawn, Jonathan Vilma, the base auto. Let's try. Oh, Malik Neighbors, the silver domination. What? Or down. I have no idea what that says. Silver Neighbors insert. Nice try. No, Anthony Richardson, second year red. Oh, Kevin, 199. And Khalil Mack, Eddie Mitchell, rookie. Ooh, big swab for the gold spots. Matt, good luck, brother. So I'm pretty sure it is gold, not black gold. Yeah, true gold. Well, Neighbors, rook. Legarius. Dash, Curtis, Cortland, Sutton. We good team. Viking. How about a JJ McCarthy? Oh, that'd be so sick. Ooh, we've had 2 Aaron Jones golds tonight. Oh, God, would have been a sick JJ. He'll take a little gold. Matt, too shabby. 7/10. O'Bowers, rookie. Nakua, Christian, Kirk. Close out the box. Oh, it's been an Aaron Jones night. Gone. Guys, a Deca single box, random color. Number 1. Thanks for jumping in, everybody.